Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Qtum coin. Today I want to show you that Qtum has broken out a very significant resistance, and that is the resistance of the down channel. And before that, I would like to start with this chart that I shared back in June 2021 for my members at the Patreon, and I told them that the price line of Qtum has completed a very big harmonic reversal cipher pattern, and from here we can expect another bullish reversal move. We also had nice support of this 25 simple moving average, and this 50 simple moving average was also moving up to provide the support to the price line. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line for a while moved below this the potential reversal zone or buying zone and tested the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. If we take a look at the weekly live time frame, then we can see that the price line tested the 50 simple moving average here, and we had a nice move to the upside. The price line hit the sell targets, which I defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic bullish cipher, which were starting from $15.83 and goes to $24.41, and now the price line is moved down back in this buying zone, and I'm expecting that this move will be continued, and this is just a retracement, and from here the price line can start a next big rally. Now let's move to the live daily time frame chart. In here I want to show you how the price line has broken out another significant resistance, and this breakout is a really very big breakthrough for a big move. First, let me to show you the small time frame, the 4-hourly time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line found a very strong resistance that was coming from here from 10th of September, and you can see we had a rejection here. We had several rejections here. We also had a rejection here and here as well. And now, right now, you can see the price line has broken out. After this final rejection, the price line has broken out this resistance. For a while, the price line moved above this resistance here, but eventually moved down. And this was the down channel on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And after 10th of September, the price line has finally broken out this resistance of the down channel. If I copy this trend line here and paste it above this another extra layer of resistance that we found here, then the price line has even broken out that resistance as well, and the price line tested that resistance, not the previous resistance of the channel here. The price line tested this level of resistance and now still moving to the upside, but there are some more resistance levels the price line needs to break out for a next big move. First of all, we can expect a move up to the next resistance, which I want to show you here on the daily time frame. If I show you this chart, then here we can see that previously the price line also formed the previous down channel here. This was the support of the previous channel, and that was in fact not the down channel, that was a parallel channel, and this was the resistance. You can see the price line was moving very well between the resistance and support. For a while, the price action broke out this resistance of the channel, moved down here, and again it was moving up and down here inside this channel, and finally broke down here and formed another down channel. This was a new down channel, and the price line is breaking out. On the daily time frame, it is breaking out, and on the 4-hourly time frame, we have a confirmation that it has broken out. And for the safer side, you can also wait for it, the daily closing above this resistance. Now, right now, we can expect next imminent move after this breakout, at least up to this next resistance level that we have here at approximately at $12. And after breaking out this resistance, the previous resistance of the channel will again work as a strong resistance, and the price line will need to break out that resistance level as well. Then we have another price level resistance at $15. I'm going to show you that resistance level as well. And after, you can see that we had a rejection here and here as well. Therefore, this is also another very strong resistance. And here the price line moved very close to $15, but did not touch it. But we also had some rejections here by $15, and here we also had some other rejections by this $15 resistance level. Let me just show you I'm just zooming the chart out, and you can see that this $15 resistance level has been working as a support here, as a resistance here, as a resistance here, and again worked as a resistance. Right now it can again work as a resistance. Then our final resistance will be at $16.30. This will be our, not the final resistance, but after $15, this will be our next resistance levels. So these are the major resistance levels that the price line needs to break out for the next major move, a very powerful bullish rally to start a very long-term bull run. The price line needs to break out this resistance of the channel that was previously working as a support, this resistance, and this price level resistance of $16, $15, then $16.30. Right now you can see that the price line has also bounced by a very significant support that we had at approximately at $8.50. You can see previously this level has been breaking as a very nice support and resistance. Here this $8.50 worked as a nice resistance, as a support, as a support, as a support again, and here it worked as a resistance. Right now the price line is again bounced by this very significant resistance of $8.50. So if I conclude all this story, then after this breakout, the imminent move, I'm expecting up to $12, and in case of breaking out $12, we need to wait for the next resistance levels to be broken out one by one. After breaking out $12, it can move up to the next resistance that was previously working as a resistance of the channel, that is $13.70 approximately. Then we need to break out this resistance of $15 and then $16.30. Then we can expect a very long-term bullish rally of Qtum coin. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.